Hi everybody, my name is Olivia Gudaniec and you're watching Olivia Reviews. And in particular, this playlist is the Béis travel line review. And today we are talking about the backpack in black, and the price point is $78 US. So I bought this backpack because, well, first of all, I love the line, the whole Béis line. I love that it is so easily versatile with travel. I did spray the bag like I've been spraying all my other Béis products with the Scotchgard fabric protector. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We'll start at the front, which will probably be the hardest to see, but I will fold it over. You've got one big basic pouch here, two little pen things, and a key holder, which I think will come in real handy. All the zippers work well. I got this from Revolve. It took 5 days if you ever do want to order from them. And it's got two side pouches right here for your water, 1, 2. I did stuff it just so it could look more full for you guys. So this kind of reminds me of a luggage. I know Shay wanted to have a bag that's for everybody, moms, dads, students. So I guess that was kind of the idea. So you would pack a bag for either a weekend or a day. I do want to use this for everyday life. So if you guys want to see a review on that and how I've been using it, I could do a separate video on that. If not, just message me in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer anything. And I'm very active, so you know you're gonna get a response from me. On this side, you've got a mesh pouch here. I just like the idea of having easy access to, yes, snacks. I always have emergency snacks. If you know me, you know you'll never go hungry. And just my, external battery charger, anything that I need on hand, whether it's extra cash. Maybe I should not be saying that on YouTube. But that's all gonna be here and neatly organized. What I'm curious about is if I do use it for everyday use, if I have got books and stuff, is this enough to hold it together without falling? I'm not sure. It came in great condition, there's nothing technically wrong with it. All the zippers work, all the functions work. I love how it opens up wide like this. I think that's gonna come in so handy instead of, again, sticking your hand in there and digging. If you guys have bought this bag in beige, let me know, because I really wanted to get it in beige, but I was just nervous because, well, things spill. If I'm gonna be using this day in and day out, I want it to hold up. Not that the beige one wouldn't, it was just more risky for the day-to-day. I've read a lot of reviews from you guys, and a lot of people don't like that they can't make these straps any tighter. I've personally tried it on, seems fine. I don't think there is gonna be an issue. It is weird that there's nothing to pull this way to tighten it, but I'll have to give it the test once I go on my trip in the next few weeks. And if you guys wanna know or see a review after and anything else I learned about the bag, feel free again, leave in the comments below. So I forgot to mention that there is another section for your laptop. I personally don't carry around my laptop anymore just because I do a lot of editing and my little laptop, my MacBook Pro Air, just can't keep up. So I'm sure I'll find use for that at some point. This, again, has water resistant lining. Do I really have to say it? I'm sure you guys have watched all of the other Béis travel reviews that I've put out in this playlist, and I'll just say it in one quick sentence in case this is your first video watching. Water resistant, waterproof, completely different things. So still protect yourself. Don't rely on it to not seep through. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. Apparently the shoulder straps are extra padded. I personally don't feel a huge difference from this to something else. but you could be the judge of it yourself. If you guys learned anything new or are enjoying this Béis travel series or want me to review a particular product that you bought or want to buy, let me know in the comments below. Let's connect, and I'll see you on the next video.